is straightforward workflow. This is just an example. It's not specific for one person. I want to show you how those basic system work. So when you have an automated workflow system in place, it works this way. So for example, what this does is basically tells me when someone contacts us on our website, assign it to Harry Smithy, which means basically this is a very simple automation. Again, keep in mind, I could split this and I could actually build a round robin up here so that I can see I have salesperson one, salesperson two, or three, and four. And then I want salesperson to get the first one, the second one to the second, and so forth. You get the point, right? So we can actually build a whole automation here. And from a marketing perspective or general manager and owner perspective, you can see that data later on from a reporting perspective. And then here, what I want to do is I want to assign this new leads that coming in to this guy. And also I want to create an opportunity within the opportunity system. And I want to add this to the sales pipeline. So I select what sales pipeline I want that person to get added to. And again, depending on your business model, the structure that you have, some people have one sales pipeline, some people have multiple sales pipeline. One sales pipeline for just random people that's coming in, and a sales pipeline for upsells existing customers, and a sales pipeline to do something else. So you can select what sales pipeline you want to get that person that opportunity to be added on. And then what you want to do is how after 4 minutes, wait for 4 minutes before the first email. Inside the first email, I want that first email to go out just to say hello, introduce yourself. So this email can fully be automated so that, for example, if Jen send that email from your website and that email automatically, remember we assign it to Smitty and it get inside the opportunity, we wait for 4 minutes, that email goes out back to Jen now, the first email, could say, now it shows it's coming from Smitty, the broker, the salesperson. And it would say, hey, Jen, this is Smitty from ABC company or dealer or boat club or manufacturer, however, where, whatever the name might be. Just checking in, want to introduce myself. I got your email. I will be calling you in a bit, a little bit tied up at the office, whatever message you want. But this message is fully automated. You can actually create this and replicate the same information for all of your agents actually. So unless you have very specific things that you want to say about a specific agent, even that you can actually create a different variables, but that's too much detail from a technicality perspective. But what I'm saying is you can actually use that one flow for all of your different salespeople. And that message, when it goes out, it looks like it's coming from that specific salesperson to that specific customer. And as you can see, again, this is for testing purposes, but within that one email goes out, we also send a text message that goes out because that person provide their phone number as well. And that text message could be the same thing you send to the email, or that email could have a lot of details that's, hey, thanks for reaching out. We have a vast inventory. Here are some of the details. Here's how you become a member within our club, how you rent our boats, or how you charter our boats, whatever you want to put in there. But also within that text message, you can put additional information, say, hey, Jen, I just sent you an email. It's very long. We'll detail out some information, but just to summarize, as we offer chartering services, we are a dealer, we have the marina, we have rental. You can list all your stuff there if that's what you want to do. Or you can say, just so you know, we will be giving you a call. Or I haven't heard from you, I will call you. The other cool things about our specific system, obviously, every system is different, but this system in particular is offer you the ability to actually record a voicemail, and it's very generic, so it's not for everyone. And that text message, we can actually loop through it to get the specific agent or broker. So if you have multiple salespeople, each one of them will have their own message. But this is a very general message that would be coming in. It won't say the person's name. It would be, hey, this is ABC business calling in, checking in, shoot you an email earlier, wanted to see if you're still interested in buying or dealing with us or something like that. Again, keep in mind, this is very generic. You can actually customize this to your way to really optimize and making sure they follow up. Now imagine someone come to your business website, submit a form. 5 minutes later, they get a message that says they get your message, would love to do business with you, and we will be calling you. And they call you, or they did not call you, but they say they will call you. That much, much better from a business perspective. You're already looking good in the customer's eye. Now, whether you follow through or not, that's a different story because that's the other steps, right? But imagine the customer in the eyes of the customer, now you look good. The other things you can see inside that automation, again, depending on your business model, that system is infinite. You can actually create multiple flow, multiple weight, and really simple. Actually, our system is very straightforward and simple, right? We can decide what kind of action we want happen. Even for some of our customers that selling basic things on their website, we even have this integrated with Shopify so that they can have the basic information that they need. But that's just to show you. And again, this is just one system. That same thing I'm showing you right now can happen on almost any system that's available in the market. So I wanted to show you in a live example what it looks like to create workflows from a marketing perspective. And this is the most basic workflow you probably would see, because again, from a marketing perspective, maybe you create workflow that generate a title of content for social media content, blog posts, maybe web pages, and automate that process to send it to, I don't know, chat gpt, maybe to write the content for you. And then when chat gpt finish, maybe send it directly to a specific place for you or post it wherever that might be. So those are like a ton of different methods, ways that you can use automation for, as from a marketing perspective. But I just wanted to show you a basic example of how you can set up an automation within a lead management system to ensure that those leads that come in, they get follow up, they get followed through, and you will really insist. And we can automate this whole process as well, where we push the salesperson to ensure they follow up with that person. And maybe in 2 3 days, if that salesperson doesn't have any activity, they don't check that email, or they haven't called that person, we automatically reassign that lead to a different salesperson. All of that can be done fully automated for you so that you don't have to worry about, oops, someone did not call. And that's the advantage of true marketing automation. And I just wanted to share that with you.